How to delete collection on TikTok. Let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your application TikTok. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. It will open up your profile. Tap on the saved icon. Head over to collections. Here you can see I have 3 collections on TikTok. These are the videos that I have saved on categories. First of all, move into any of the collection. These are the videos that I have saved on this collection. As we're looking forward on how to delete collection on TikTok, tap on this icon. At the bottom, the option of delete collection will be visible to you. Tap on it. Now when you're actually ready to delete this collection, tap on delete. There you go, the collection has been deleted successfully. Likewise, with the same process, you can delete the collection that you want on TikTok. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to delete collection on TikTok. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.